Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here at Walmart. Unfortunately, it looks a little empty around me, but that's okay. We're still going to find some great deals, some great rebates, and some great savings for you. So what I need you to do is go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let's get ready to rock and roll, and let's get ready to save. So get your pencils, your paper, and your Ibotta app out, and let's get ready to rumble. Okay guys, so our first deal, again, we're here at Walmart, is going to be on some Dial body wash. We have done this deal in the past where there have been two rebates that attach, but this time there's only going to be one rebate. But we're going to use a paper coupon to make it even cheaper. And actually, the deal is going to be even better than it was the first time. So let me turn my camera around and show you exactly what we're going to do. So guys, right now, these Dial body washes are $3.98. And the Ibotta rebate is for $1.50. The catch on it is the only one that is attaching to the rebate is the Clean and Gentle. So if you bought one at $3.98 and you submitted it to Ibotta, then you would get $1.50 back from the $3.98. Now that is still a good deal. Even if I didn't have a paper coupon, I would still get this deal because $1.50 off of $3.98 is excellent to me. But we're going to make this deal even sweeter. But there is a catch to it. You do have to run out and do it by midnight because the coupon that I have up here for you to see expires at midnight. This coupon expires at midnight, so you have to run and do this deal if you want to get it for the cheapest. If not, you can just get the Clean and Gentle, pay $3.98 at the register, and submit it to Ibotta for $1.98. You can do this deal 5 times with Ibotta. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually grab 4 of these, okay? Because my coupon is buy one, get one free. So if I have 4, then I need 2 coupons, right? Okay, so here are my 2 coupons. So at the register, I am going to pay $3.98 for 2 of them. So let's round that up. That's going to be, excuse me, $8 that I'm going to pay at the register. I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'm going to get $1.50 back for each one of these. So I'm going to pay $8 at the register. I'm going to get $1.50 back for each of these from Ibotta, which will add up to $6, right? Take the $6 from the $8 that I paid at the register, and I will be paying $2 for 4 large Dial body wash. Guys, I'd say that's a pretty good deal, wouldn't you? But if you do this deal after Sunday, again, then you wouldn't have the coupon, but you would still get $1.50 off of $3.98 for one. So it would be like you're paying $2.50 for one, which again, I say is still a good deal, and it will help you reach your different bonuses that are in Ibotta. Okay, so let's move on to our next deal. Okay guys, so our next deal is going to be on the Palmer's Moisture Boost. This is the Ibotta rebate that goes with this. We don't have any paper coupons, but we do have a nice Ibotta rebate to go with this. And a couple of these products work with it, but the one that I'm going to get, because I always want to go the cheapy route, is the Moisture Boost Grow Treatment. And that is $3.88. When you submit it to Ibotta, you're going to get $2 back. So that would be $1.88 that I'm going to pay out of pocket. So I'll pay $3.88 at the register. And then I'm going to submit it to Ibotta and pay $1.88 out of pocket. So guys, I'm here in this skin section and I'm looking for another Palmer's product. There you see I have the Ibotta rebate in the corner. I'm looking for the Palmer Skin Bar, which is $2.47. And it looks like my store is out of them. But if you were to find them, please peel off. There's a pilly on there for $1. And if you peel the pilly off, then at the register, you're going to pay $1.47. And then you're going to submit that to Ibotta for a $1.50 rebate. And guess what? It'll be free. So look for your Palmer Skin Bar. Like I said, my store is out of them. And I thought that was a freebie that I was going to be able to show you. So maybe we'll get it another time. Okay, guys. So I'm here at our next deal. Our next deal is $3 off of 3 American Greetings cards. So as you know, cards are all different prices. So they range from 40, I think it's like 49 cents, 47 cents. See the sign down there? They range from 47 cents all the way to like $6, $7. But the rebate, as you can see, is up in the corner. If you buy 3, you get $3 back. Now, you have to be careful with this deal. I'm going to actually make it a free deal for me because I'm going to get 3 97-cent cards. But it doesn't mean that every single card qualifies. So if I were you, when you pick your cards out, make sure that you scan them into the Ibotta app to make sure that they qualify. Now, the higher dollar cards like the $1.99s, $2.99s, $3, $4, $5, $6.99 cards, those definitely qualify. But the ones that are 97 cents and 47 cents, even the ones that are like $1.97, you have to scan them in to make sure they qualify. So I did pick out 3. I got 2 thank you cards and a Simply Grateful card because I'm always sending out thank you cards to my customers. So you know, this is just a way for me to get 3 cards for free. But like I said, if you're going to do this deal, please make sure that you scan the cards to make sure they qualify. And you don't have to go the route that I went. I went to cheapy route so that I'm getting 3 cards free. But you know, you can get graduation cards, you can get Mother's Day cards, get whatever card you want. You just get $3 off. It's totally up to you what your spending budget is. So let's move along. Okay, guys, so here's another deal that I wanted to show you, but unfortunately my store is out of them. I've searched all over the store and I cannot find them at all. But I still wanted to show you the deal because if your store has them, this is an excellent deal for you to do. So what they are the simple makeup wipes or simple face wipes, whatever you want to call them. But they are priced at Walmart at excuse me, $4.46 each. You want to use this coupon which just came out in your Super Saver, and they are buy one get one free. So you would pay $4.46 at the register, but then you're going to submit it to Ibotta for $1 off for both of them. So then you would get $2 back from Ibotta, and you would only pay $2.46 for 2 packs of simple face makeup wipes, whatever you want to call them. So guys, like I said, I can't find them anywhere in my store. They're sold out. But if your store has them, this is a definite deal to do. So let's... Okay, guys, so here's another deal in the baby aisle. Now, I'm not going to do this deal because I can't find my paper coupons. I think I accidentally threw them away. But I put the Ibotta rebates up. But you're going to grab the Baby Magic. The Baby Magic is priced at $2.98. You're going to use the $1 paper coupon from the $2.28 insert. It doesn't expire to, I think, April sometime. Like I said, I don't know. I lost my coupons. That's why I'm not doing this deal. I think I threw them away. I'm very, very upset because this would have been a great addition to my basket I'm making for the baby shower. But the baby magic is $2.98. If you use your coupon, it's $1.98 at the register, and then you're going to get a $1 rebate back from Ibotta. So if you still have this coupon and you weren't silly like me and threw it away, grab this deal. This is an excellent deal, and I believe that it is only good for another 3 or 4 days on Ibotta. So let's move along. Okay, guys, are you ready for a freebie? Here we go. So you're going to grab one of these Starbucks triple shot energy drinks, but it has to say 0 sugar. So there's a couple different triple shots up here, but you have to get the one that says 0 sugar. Let me grab one first. As you can see, they're $2.68, but there's the Ibotta rebate. When you submit it, you're going to get it absolutely free. So make sure you grab this one, the triple shot 0 sugar. Okay, guys, so I'm going to grab one of these Nutellas. The Nutella is $1.48, but you do get a 50-cent rebate back. As you can see, I have it up in the corner, so I'm going to pay $1.48 at the register, and then I will get the 50 cents back from Ibotta, making it 98 cents. Okay, guys, so I got another snack here. These are the Rice Krispie treats. They are $1.18, but as you can see with the Ibotta rebate, we're going to submit them and we're going to get some money back to make them even cheaper. You guys know I always grab a couple snacks while we do our shopping. Okay, guys, so our other snack is going to be the Raisinets. So they are 98 cents. We're going to grab a box of those. And as you can see, we're going to submit it to Ibotta for a rebate and get 25 cents off of that. Okay, guys, so I'm here at the register. I'm going to start scanning everything so that you can see. And I will come back with my total. Okay, so you see my total is $32.36 before my coupons. Excuse me. 1 second, guys. We have a problem with the dial coupon. Okay, guys, so we had a little bit of problems with the dial coupons, but she verified that they were the correct items, and I had the right sizes and everything, so she put them through. So now my total is down to $23.92, and then I will pay for it and we'll come back and submit it to Ibotta and let you know what it comes up to then. Okay, guys, I'm back home. I'm back from Walmart, and I have submitted my receipt to Ibotta. As I showed you in the store, my total before taxes was $23.03. After taxes, it was $23.92. Taxes stink. So we're going to go with the $23.03. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $16.18. So that meant I only spent $6.85 out of pocket. I will show you everything that I got back. I got $6 back for the body wash. You see it was 4 of them. $2 back for the Palmer's Moisture Boost, 50 cents for the Nutella, $2.68 for the Starbucks, which made those absolutely free, 25 cents for the Rice Krispie treat bar, 25 cents for the Raisinets, $3 for the American greeting cards, which made that a 3-cent moneymaker, and actually a 9-cent moneymaker. And the teethers were $1.50 with the rebate. There you see a total of $16.18. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell right next to it so that you can get notified every time I put a new video up. Don't forget to download Ibotta. I will put my link in the description so that if you're not subscribed to Ibotta, you can subscribe and we both can make money together. But until then, guys, comment, like, share, and keep on saving.